October 17th at Ball Club. This is going to be the big day for Colin.
Probably won't be surprised.
What?
Don't be surprised if I chicken out.
Chicken out from what?
We're shooting it.
Oh, today you're going to shoot
Maybe,
that?
maybe not.
What?
Maybe not.
Okay, well that, see those two white things?
But, yeah.
Well, the one on the left
Yeah.
is your target.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, here's, well, let me explain it to you. There's the shotgun shells. Now let me, hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take safety off, aim at the target.
Here, should I go?
Shoot.
Hey, that doesn't have any kick it off!